Alright guys, so we have the steel body here in the shop. Now, one of the last steel body videos y'all seen, we had a brake caliper lock up on us, and it completely destroyed that rotor. The caliper was junk, the pads, one of them fell out in the shop driveway out here, which I know I'm probably going to get comments on that video, oh, you should check your brake pads. They were fine. I rotated these tires quite literally less than 1,000 miles before that happened, and they were fine. So before somebody says, oh, you need to check your brake pads, they were checked. Promise you that, because this thing is the workhorse, and I do like to check that sort of thing, even if it doesn't make it on camera. But regardless, we have here some goodies from our friends over at Flashark Racing. Now, if y'all don't know, I have headers from those guys on my 300, coilovers, a catch can, and I believe something else. Don't remember right off the top of my head. If y'all want to go check those videos out, there are plenty of videos from those guys. Been super happy with all of that stuff on that car. But we actually got to talking, and they went ahead and sent us over some drilled and slotted rotors for this truck, front and rear. So, when we did this last week for me, last couple videos for y'all, I went ahead, ordered all brand new ceramic pads for it, and I knew these were on the way, so we pretty much just did that to get the truck back going. But also, guys, I wanted to mention there will be a link and a discount code down below in the description if you want to check them out. Or if I remember when I'm editing, I'll put it down here at the bottom of the screen, the discount code anyway. But the link will be down in the description. Big thank you to the guys at Flashark Racing for sending these out. But anyway, let's get back to the video. These are still in the box. These over here, yes, the shop is an absolute mess. We went ahead and unpackaged. So these guys are going to be going on the steel body here. So you look, you can see my nice shiny one singular gold caliper. But this rotor is absolutely cooked. So, and this one over here, let me show y'all real quick, because this one has some pretty rough heat spots in it, and it was like that when I bought the truck. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that. So these aren't exactly in the best shape. Like I said, they were like that when I bought the truck. So do with that as you will. But these guys are nice. These are actually the same ones I have on my 6.0. If y'all remember when we had the motor out of the 6.0, and we did that whole build, I went ahead and upgraded the, I think just the fronts. If I remember correctly, I believe it was just the fronts. I don't remember if I did the rears. But either way, they're the same ones I have, at least on the front of the 6.0, and they've been great. So, anyway, it is currently 10:26 p.m. on Saturday, and I slept maybe a total of an hour and a half last night. Your boy's been busy. Let's just leave it there. But I got the 300 out of here, both the four-wheelers out of here. This is in here now. So first thing in the morning, we're going to come out here and get started. Pull all these off. I'm not going to film all of it. This is not going to be like a how-to video. It is, but it ain't. But pretty much, here, and pull your calipers off. Separate them from your... I'm going to separate mine, because I'm going to pull my pads out and do that. But separate it from the bracket, pull the pads out, take the brackets off, then go ahead and pull the rotors off. I'm not going to film it because I have a sneaky suspicion that these are going to be a royal pain. So, we're not going to film that part. But we're going to be replacing them in this video. So, I'll catch you all in the morning. We'll get started. We'll get the truck up on jack stands. And, well, we'll go from there. But I will say, these units are some nice units. That I will say. So, there's a part number, I believe. Now, there will be a link to these down in the description. Don't mind that caliper that I need to take back for a core that I forgot about. Don't worry about it. It's been a long week. But, like I said, these units are some nice units. They are heavy. That is why those are on a dolly. These ones, the box was completely mangled from the shipper. And they actually dropped these at the end of my driveway rather than at the house. So that was a fun time. But these units are definitely, they're definitely hefty. They're definitely more than my doctor would like for me to be lifting. But that's okay. They don't need to know. But those are some nice. Alright, y'all. Camera died. We're back. So, as I was saying, these really nice units. This, I do believe, is the rear because it has a deeper hat on it. And those are a bit shallower. I believe those are the front. But regardless, you get the idea. So, again, in the morning, we'll get out here. We'll get this apart. And go ahead, throw the new units on here. And we'll take a look. Because I'm quite excited to have upgraded brakes. I know these actually made a bit of a difference in the 6.0. These are also directional, I do believe. I believe they should be anyway. The ones on the 6.0 are definitely directional. So pay attention to that. But other than that, you should be good. So, and I will show y'all the correct way for these when we get them on tomorrow. Because, well, my brain's not functioning all the way tonight. And my post-concussion is in full effect. Has been for about a week now. So, anyway, that is that. I'll catch y'all in the morning. We'll get these on here. And we'll take this thing for a spin. Alright. Before I forget, this poor truck. This thing's been sitting here for forever. Depressing. Also, thank you, Mr. I'm not going to say his name, for screwing up my paint before you went to jail. Appreciate you. But you can kind of see the direction. Yes, this thing's been sitting for a while, but you can kind of see the direction on these. So this is the driver's side. They face that way. It pulls the gases out of everything. Yeah. Did I? No, I didn't. I forgot. I have them. I just haven't put them on yet. So we'll do that. But this poor thing is completely dead. Mark my words. And the white truck, because it is also completely dead. We're going to be bringing these two back in 2026. Mark my words. We're doing it. All right, y'all. So, I was actually working on editing this video. And, well, I guess all the footage from this morning got corrupted in the camera. But I did get some pictures of everything that I'll throw up here on the screen. So, either way, here we have them. You can see them back there. Front and rear, like the 6.0. You can see the rear's in there. So everything fit really, really nice. So anyway, I'll take this thing and well, let's take it on a little test drive. But anyway, guys, it is well, it's a while later. You can see the 300's back out, and there's another car back there that we're not going to look at. That video is going to come out in sometime or another. I'll probably put that video out the day before my birthday. We'll do that. Anyway, April 5th. Y'all stay tuned. But as you can see, we've definitely put some miles on our new brakes, and they are amazing. I like them. Truck stops real nice. So at some point we're going to get this thing hooked up, and we're going to put some stuff in it, some stuff that'll fit, and we're going to test these brakes out with towing. But as I mentioned, guys, we are now in the truck. My neighbors are feuding. I knew this would happen at some point. There used to be one house and then another in the very, very back. Now there's like 5 houses back there, and the neighbors are not getting along. So I think that is because one of the neighbors, one of the new neighbors, the grandson of the guy that built, well, both houses, well, all like 5 of those houses back there, has a sound comp truck. Yeah, it rattles my windows in the morning, but I don't mind it. He's off on Fridays. It's like a 20-30 minute thing, you know, it's whatever. But being as it rattles my windows here from all the way down there, I'm not surprised. And there comes another cop. There's like 4 or 5 cops down there at the moment. But anyway, some of the neighbors are kind of trashy. Some of them, well, same ones, have lots of dogs that bark all the time. It's a whole situation. This is why I mind my own business and I stay here in my house and I mess with my vehicles, and that's it. But all the neighbors used to complain about the 6.0, and then they went from complaining about the 6.0 to the 300 because the 300's loud, the 6.0's loud. I guess I'm not the most hated neighbor anymore, and that's okay. For now, until the 6.0 gets running again. But anyway, neither here nor there. The brakes have been fantastic. I've been super happy with them. Again, we're going to hook the trailer up. Probably put a couple 4-wheelers or something in there. That's a 7,000 pound rated trailer. So technically speaking, I could put about 4,000 to 4,500 pounds in it. Because I think the trailer itself weighs 2,300. So we'll load that thing up at some point, and we'll see how she does. See how the truck does with the new brakes. But I'm very happy with them so far. It's not like supercar status or anything, but I like the way it feels. So they should stay cooler, especially with towing and all that fun stuff. But again, guys, I will leave a link down below in the description if y'all want to check these out. Big thank you to Flashark Racing for sending these out. I believe there will also be a discount code down there as well. So if y'all want to check them out and support, I do appreciate it. But they're not paying me to make this video. Full transparency. I just made the video. If you use my code, you'll get a discount, and I believe I get a little bit of a kickback. So again, if y'all want to check them out, the link will be down there with a discount code. Thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.